Get out of the road. Get out of the road.
Smokey's having a good old... Oh, Smokey! He's having a good old time. Smoke, what you think? What you think, puppy? He's been eating it and running it in circles.
Here. Hold this for a second.
You want me to hold all this stuff? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Daddy and DJ. I have an umbrella up because I don't want to ruin my camera. Oh, Hunter. Hunter's getting me over here. Oh, jeez! Smokey's freaking out because he can't get to the boys. Oh, okay, I'm coming, Smokey, hold on. Smokey's freaking out. Freaking out. Oh.